The 2024 Lexus TX debuts with 3 rows, 406 horsepower, and 3 powertrains. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now, when Lexus launched the 5th generation RX for 2023, the 3-row RX-L didn't survive. It left the automaker without a smaller 3-row offering, but that changes today with the introduction of the new 2024 TX. Now, the Lexus TX will have 3 available powertrains when it launches. The TX350 will use a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 that makes 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. It's available in front-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations. Now, the TX500H only available with direct 4 all-wheel drive, and in the F Sport Performance grade, packs the 2.4-liter hybrid powertrain that makes 366 horsepower and 409 pound-feet of twist. Now, the TX550H Plus uses the 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid that produces 406 horsepower and will offer an estimated 33 miles of pure electric range. Now, Lexus designed the TX to prioritize aerodynamic performance while wearing the new unified grille. Designers linked the narrow headlights with a subtle trim piece across the front. L-shaped light bar stretches across the Lexus branding. Now, the 2024 TX will go on sale in 4 grades: Standard, Premium, Luxury, and F Sport Performance. 20-inch wheels are factory spec for the Standard, Premium, and Luxury grades. Lexus will offer 22-inch options for the TX350 Luxury, which are standard on the 550H Plus. Now, the 500H F Sport trim also wears 22-inch rims with an exclusive design. Now, depending on the grade, it'll come in one of 7 exterior colors. The colors are Cloudburst Gray, Windchill Pearl, Caviar, Matador Red Mica, Nightfall Mica, Incognito, and Celestial Silver Metallic. Now, inside, Lexus offers an available 12.3-inch infotainment display and head-up display. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto are standard, and customers can upgrade to an optional 21-speaker Mark Levinson sound system, which is available for all powertrains. The crossover has 7 charging outlets with 3 power outlets, and the second-row captain's chairs or a 60/40 split folding bench are available. The 2-seat layout is available with a removable second-row center console, and the TX rides on the GAK platform, which also underpins the new Toyota Grand Highlander. Now, there are some similarities in the exterior and interior styling. The new TX is larger than the 2022 RX-L. This equates to significantly more cargo capacity. The TX offers 20.1 cubic feet behind the third row, 57.4 cubic feet behind the second, and a whopping 97 cubic feet with both rows folded flat. Now, Lexus hasn't revealed the TX's price yet, but the 3-row crossover is replacing the RX-L that died with the launch of the completely redesigned 2023 version. Now, the entry-level 2022 RX 350L started at just under $50,000. However, the 2-row RX price has crept up for 2023 and now starts at $49,450. Prices include the destination charges. So the new TX should slot between the new RX and the all-new 2024 GX that also launched today, which should start around $60,000. Now, with the 2023 RX already at $50,000, the TX could have a price tag in the low to mid $50,000 range. Lexus will build the new TX in Indiana's factory. The automaker specifically designed a crossover for here in North America, which will go on sale later this year. Lexus expects the TX350 and 500H to go on sale this fall, with the TX500H Plus reaching dealerships later. Now, with that said, what do you guys think about the new Lexus TX for 2024? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below. We have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate that love as always, guys. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and social media links down in the description below. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.